The Centric L3 is a funding smartphone and is mainly made of plastic. The build quality is not good, and this phone does not feel really high quality, which is no surprise given its price. We also were not impressed with all the glossy finish of this trunk, and it is a fingerprint magnet. In the very front, the telephone includes a 5-inch screen with the conventional 16:9 aspect ratio. The earpiece, selfie camera and telling light are over the screen while the fingerprint scanner is set under it. The fingerprint scanner is a bit more recessed, which compels you to press your finger to get a suitable scan. The volume and power buttons are put on the right, and are made from plastic. They're easy to reach thanks to this compact dimensions of this smartphone. The power button has a feel that makes it effortless to differentiate with only a touch. Centric has set the 3.5mm headphone jack along with the micro USB interface on the very top, while the speaker is in the base. The Centric L3 includes a 13-megapixel camera to the trunk with autofocus, which we discovered to be rather sluggish. It requires a bit too long to lock attention, and sometimes we needed to tap numerous occasions to get it correctly. Vehicle scene mode is enabled by default and requires a while to set up the camera. We discovered that colors appeared fostered from the daytime pictures we took with the L3. This phone may look like it's a unibody at first glance, however, the rear cover is removable. With it, the 2 SIM slots along with also the microSD card slot machines are available. The Centric L3 includes a 3050 mAh non-removable battery and boats using a 7.5 watts charger in the box. Centric also supplies a set of in-ear headset. The Centric L3 includes a 5-inch HD IPS screen with 2.5D on top. It is not the very best panel out there in this cost level, and also we can see rows of pixels readily. The viewing angles are adequate and the screen will get bright enough to be viewable under direct sunshine. Our review unit had a problem with backlight bleeding at the lower left corner of the display that was deflected while utilizing the telephone. Centric sent us a replacement device that didn't have exactly the identical difficulty, and we had no additional problem with it. The Centric L3 includes a 3050 mAh non-removable battery, which was able to power the telephone for a single day with light use. Bump up the usage and the telephone will have to be placed to bill by late night. Within our HD video loop evaluation, the telephone was able to clock 9 hours and 29 minutes. The telephone has an intelligent power-saving manner that helps it conserve energy when idle.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.